Welcome back. We're doing lesson 2C now in Java. In this lesson, we're going to show that variables can have values too. It can be initialized. Now in the previous lesson, our variables were string name, int age. Now we didn't initialize them as in let age equal 18 because the reason why I've initialized the variables is so that we can use a scanner class to let the user input whatever the variable is. So we let the variable input what name equals, let the user input whatever age equals, and so forth. So for this lesson 2C, we're going to initialize the values ourselves, not let the user do it. So let x equal 2 and y equal 5. And then we're also going to have a variable called total, which is going to multiply x times y. We can also do this instead. Save a line and just do total equals x times y. Initialize total 2, or let it be uninitialized, and then let it equal x times y in the next line. Either way it works. So we get 10. We change x to 4. 4 times 5 is 20. There you go, total is 20. So this is how it works. So we have our comments. Remember to save the file as hardcoding.java, same name as the class name. Now we have a class header, the class curly brace, opening curly brace, and then the closing curly brace for the class. We have the main method, and then the main method closing brace right here, and opening curly brace right here. And then inside the main method, we have our variables. X equals 4, y equals 5. Remember, 4 and 5 are integers, so our data type is int. And then total is also going to be an int, because when you multiply two integers, you get an integer. 4 times 5 is 20, not 20.5. It's going to be an integer. So total equals x times y. System dot out the print line method. In the print line method, we use the print line method to move the cursor to the next line. Remember, if you don't have print line, use print for displaying stuff. Cursor stays on the same line. Now print line moves the cursor to the next line. So we move the cursor to the next line, and there we go, just like that. So back to this, x equals 4, y equals 5. Total is uninitialized, and then total here equals x times y. And as I showed before, you can let total equal x times y. And comment this out, and you still get total equals 20. So you can either initialize total to equal x times y, or use a statement to let total equal x times y. And then remember, when you want the total to display, you do a plus total. Whatever the variable you want to display, you put it after the quotation marks. And there you go, that's basically it for this program. The next program I'll be doing is lesson 3. So have a great day. And let me show you one more time. The total is 20. There you go.